Hello, everyone. Welcome to weeks 7 and 8 of ICT 290. I wanted to post a video here today, first to tell you all I very much enjoyed this course with you all. I hope you had a good experience with it as well. I know sometimes you're working in groups and when an instructor implements some new activities into the course, which, by the way, I did for this semester, it can sometimes be a little bit rocky, so to speak. So I want to thank you for your patience in working through some of the issues that I have with this course. I very much appreciate it. And all in all, I hope you enjoyed the course. We have about 10 days left. So I want to just kind of go over a little bit with you some of what you're going to be required to do in these last 10 days. I'm in the current weeks 10-5 through 10-11 and 10-12 through 10-16. The course does end on October 16th, Friday. If you get all of your material submitted prior to that, of course, you will not be required to get anything to be in the course for any other reason other than that. Okay. There are no discussions in these final 10-11 days of the course. There is one final group project that you'll have to work on. That is listed here, and I wanted to take a couple minutes just to clarify that with you. Okay. Everyone was given a presentation program to look at for last week's discussion. And you all did a very nice job, by the way, in getting those up and posted in a timely manner. And you did a nice job summarizing the tools as well. So your options for this week, you're going to create a project presentation. It should be based on your research question. I'm going to leave that loosely defined there because you could take your research question you came up with as a group and really break it out into any topic area within that research question overall and create a presentation about it. Okay? So using your research question as the basis, you're going to create a presentation. You can use any number of the tools that were presented last week, or not just tools within your group, but you could use tools that any student presented in the discussion area. Or you can use PowerPoint or Prezi. Those are the two that we did not look at last week, but the book did go over some of that. Okay. As well, you can use something that maybe we didn't cover in this course. Maybe it wasn't on the list of presentation tools for you to investigate last week. But if you know of something and you want to use it, that's absolutely perfectly fine with me. I would ask you though that if you could please let me know, I would very much appreciate it because I'm always looking for new presentation tools. So if there's something out there that you think, I wonder why he didn't ask us to cover this one, it's most likely because I'm not familiar with it. So I'd be very much appreciative if you would, please send that to me. Okay? All right, so again, using your research question as the basis for your presentation, you're going to create a presentation. I'm not going to give you, as I point out here, I'm not going to tell you exactly how many slides it should be because some of you may not be using a slide-based presentation tool. Okay, but I will tell you to kind of use this as a guide. If you can think about a presentation that if you were going to deliver it to an audience, and you're not going to be delivering this, you're just creating the presentation itself. If you were going to be delivering this to an audience, that it would be anywhere between 12 to 15 minutes in length. Okay? Now, again, this is a group presentation. Okay? So you divide the work up how you see fit. I'm not going to tell you, how you should divide the work up. That's up to your group members individually. Okay? This will be submitted as a group project. something, again, I'm trying new. I haven't investigated with that one before, but it will be submitted right here in these final 2 weeks folder by clicking on this link right here and submitting it. Again, I don't know how it's going to work from perspective of submitting as a group. I'm not familiar with that piece at all, but I'm going to find out. Okay. Next thing is that I'm going to have a final online collaborate session here this week. I'm going to post, I have times here, I'm going to post them in an announcement, send them out as an email as well. Monday, which is tomorrow, I'm recording this October 4th, Sunday. Monday, October 5th at 7 p.m. will be the first collaborate session. And this one is going to be pretty much used, and again, these are not required for you to attend. I mean, I'm hopeful that some of you will decide to attend these, but they are not required for you to attend. I would ask, though, if you do have questions, any concerns, any questions, anything that is not clear about the final group project, that you would join in and talk with me for a few minutes. Okay. As well, I mean, if there are any issues that you have, you know, with grades up to this point, anything that isn't clear about the course structure, any frustrations that you may have, I would ask that you just let me know, and we can set up an individual Blackboard Collaborate session to chat about those. Okay. And then the final component of the course, of course, is the IDEA evaluation. I put a little screenshot here for you so that you can see whenever you click on this link, which it opens up on Monday. So if you would go in there Sunday tonight, the 4th, and try to complete it, it won't let you because it actually, the IDEA system itself does not open until the 5th. So when you click on the link, this is the window that what it's going to look like when you click on that link. You have to put your student ID number in here once you click on the link. You're not trying to put it in this window. This is just a picture in here. So you put your ID in, and then you submit, and then you're ready to take the IDEA course evaluation. Okay. Because of the fact that the Mount very much does take seriously these IDEA course evaluations, because they are very committed to improving both courses and instruction as well. But I would ask that you please, you know, be honest in your responses and be thoughtful and thorough as well. Okay. I believe that's all I have. As I said, we'll be holding some online collaborate sessions, and I'm hopeful to see some of you there. If not, again, I want to thank you for a very good 8 weeks of this course. It has been one of the best courses that I've ever taught online, and I owe that all to you folks in being such good students. So it's much appreciated. Have a good last 11 days of the course. I'll see you in cyberspace.